Have you ever wondered what will happen when you run a malicious software or a file containing viruses? Or do you know how security analysts analyze a malicious software or a virus file? So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can analyze a malware dynamically with the help of any .run platform, which provides cybersecurity solutions like interactive sandbox environment, threat intelligence lookup, and threat intelligence feeds. So my name is Rahul Kumar, and you are watching Cybersecurity. So without further ado, let's get started. So as I said, Any.Run is an amazing cybersecurity platform offering various type of services like interactive sandbox environment, threat intelligence lookup, and threat intelligence feed. If I talk about the pricing plan of Any.Run, so it has two product mentioned here. One is sandbox and second one is threat intelligence. Let's check out the pricing plan of sandbox. Click on this, and now we have three different pricing options available. First one is community, second one is hunter, and third one is enterprise. So, if you are working in a cybersecurity company, or if you are a security analyst, or if you have your own company, then you can go for Hunter and Enterprise plan. They have other community plan also available. So, you can check out their Hunter and Enterprise plan. The pricing options is you can see here the $299 is for Hunter plan, and third one is Enterprise. So, if you're running a company or if you're part of a big company, you can contact their team for Enterprise plan, or you can start with your journey with the Hunter 299 plan, or they have other plan as well like community plan. And as you can see here in hunter plan, you have a lot of options available which you can use if you're in hunter plan, but you don't have much options in community plan. So this is the pricing of any.run. Okay, let's go to the interactive online malware analysis platform. And so here we have three different options available. First one is submit file or emails. The second is submit URL, and third one is check suspicious links. So you can analyze various phishing emails which you oftenly get. Second one is you can analyze any kind of URL here or any kind of file or APK. And in the left corner, we have new analysis, report, teamwork, history, and threat intelligence. And these are the list of the previous machines which I have used. And here we have profile option, pricing, contact, FAQ, and the logout option. Let's start our malware analysis with APK analysis. So if you have any APK files which you want to analyze, you can use this platform. So there are different operating system available like Windows, Linux, and now they have Android platform as well. It means you can analyze your Android applications as well on any return. Let me show you how you can analyze the APK applications on their Android environment. So first you have to submit your APK file on any.runs. To submit the file, you have to click on submit file or email. Click on this. And now you have to select your file wherever you have installed it. So I have my files on desktop. So here you can see here's one APK file. So click on this. So once you clicked on this, you have multiple options available. And here you have two modes available. First one is simple mode and second one is pro mode, means professional mode. So here you can choose your operating system. So if you have any kind of exe file, you can choose operating system Windows, or if you have any Linux based, you can choose Linux. But in this case, I am analyzing APK. So it means I have to select Android operating system. And now you can select your time duration, like how long you want to analyze this APK file. So on Android run, you have 660 seconds to analyze the malware, and you can extend the time up to 3 to 4 minutes if you want. So I have already selected 660 seconds and then click on run public analysis. So just to make you understand better, I want to demonstrate a public analysis. In this analysis, I'm going to show you how you can analyze and how you can test malicious application on any run platform to test your Android applications. So let me just demonstrate you. So I have an analysis here. Let me play this. So in this analysis, I'm going to show you what exactly happen whenever you install a random application from a third-party website or from any untrusted sources. So as you can see here in this malicious application, so whenever you install application, you grant permission. So as you can see here on the screen, so whenever you click on update, and it will ask you for the permission, and whenever you click on allow all, so it means you're giving all your device permission to that particular malicious application. In this section here, you can see 10 HTTP request has been made and 30 connection, 14 DNS request and 3 threads.
And here you can see the third threat is potentially bad traffic. When you click on this, you can find other information about that. But if you find a detailed information about this particular malicious application, so you have text report option, you can generate this report. Here you have export option, and in this export option you have six option. It means you can export this analysis in six different formats like all data, mist, process, graph, HTML, stix, and JSON. So let me show you what exactly this malware is. So this is a text-based report, and as you can see here, so the file name is bbvaprime.apk, and the word dictate is malicious activity, and the type of threat is remote access trojan. So basically this is a rat malware, and here you can see all the information regarding this application. So these are the behavior activities. The first one is malicious. So what exactly this application is doing is initiating background apk installation, execute system commands. Spy node has been detected, determine whether a component is an active device, admin, and here you can see the suspicious section and the information as well. So any.run is an amazing platform if you want to test your Android APK. So let's move on to the phase two.
So now I'm going to show you how I can analyze a ransomware malware in this sandbox environment. So first click on submit file or email. So here I have already downloaded a ransomware file from GitHub, and you can also download the same. So here I have different kind of malware available. First one is WannaCry, second is PolyRansom, Dharma, and 7EV3. So for this video, let's start with the PolyRansom. So click on this and open. So once you clicked on open, you have different options available here. The simple mode and second one is pro mode. So if you're a professional, you can use the pro mode, or if you are a beginner and start learning about malware analysis, you can start with a simple mode. So close this. So the main option here is the duration, like for how long you want to run this and this environment. So for this video, let's set this to 60 seconds, and I can extend this time to like few more minutes, like 3 to 4 minutes I can add. And here you have different options available like start object from temporary directory, desktop, user home directory. You can choose as per your preference. And then we have command line, network, root, internet traffic. So we have this kind of options available. Apart from that, so if you want to analyze a Linux based malware, so you can choose an operating system as well. Now, because this is an exe file which I can run on Windows operating system, so I'm using Windows 10. If you don't want to use Windows 10, you can use Windows 11 or Windows 7 as per your convenience. Here you can choose your operating system language as well. So here we have a run a public analysis. So public analysis means anyone can view this analysis if they have a any.run account. But if you want to keep your analysis private, then you can opt for a paid plan, which I already showed you. So for this video, I'm going to run a public analysis. Click on this. If you don't want to showcase your personal analysis information on the internet, opt for a paid plan. The process has been started, and here we have different options available like HTTP request, connection, DNS request, and threads. So if your file containing any kind of threads, so it will show here, and there are different kind of connections the file will be made if this is a malware file. So because this is a malware file and the malware type is ransomware, and the main functionality or main feature of this kind of malware is to encrypt the data. So if you have a malicious ransomware software or a file, what it will do, it will encrypt your entire data available on your device. And as you can see here, we have different HTTP request option available. So whatever HTTP request is initiating from your computer to the remote server, it will show here. And now we have a connections request as well. And here you can see a process tree. So basically what will happen when you execute this malware system on your own operating system. So first it will execute this polyransom.exe, and there are different child processes associated with this one. And here you can see the CPU usage as well. Like real time, if you execute this document file in an operating system, your CPU usage goes up to 40%, 60%, depending on the malware, and it is consuming right now 43% of RAM. And here you can see the time, like I have a 9 minute and 40 seconds remaining, and you can here add the time as well, which I already told you. So here the process has been completed. Here you can see I selected a polyransom file in my VM, and as soon as my VM started, and you can see your computer was automatically blocked. So what it means is Ransomware done its job. Now my computer is fully encrypted, and to decrypt my computer operating system, and I have to pay some bitcoins to decrypt my file. So this is really happen when you download a suspicious application, software, files, or if you're visiting any kind of malicious URLs. So this is how any.run protect you, or this is how you can analyze softwares, applications, files, URLs on this platform. So apart from that, here you can see we have three different type of threads, and even you can download this report. So if you are a threat researcher, you can download this report and submit to your senior management. And here you can see the all the connections record which has been made. So there are 26 connections and 14 DNS requests and 6 HTTP requests. To analyze the malware, this is the perfect platform for you. So this is how ransomware reacts when you run a ransomware file. So here we have another options like text report, graph, attack matrix. If you're aware of MITRE attack framework, so here you can see the MITRE attack framework as well. So here you can see the complete MITRE attack matrix for this particular kind of attack. So now I demonstrate to you how we can analyze a different kind of malware with the same approach. So click on submit file. Now I'm going to use another malware, which is our WannaCry. Just click on this one. Choose your operating system. If you want to choose Linux, as I said, so I'm using Windows 10 for this, and increase the time to 178 seconds. Run a public analysis. So now the process has started, and right now we have three DNS requests. And as you can see in this sandbox environment, all the files are encrypted now. And here you can see here's a please read mail.txt. There's a file created here. And when I click on this file, so what will happen is, so it will show you some text like what's wrong with the files. Oops, your important files are encrypted. This is how exactly ransomware works. So this is happens if you click a suspicious URL link or you run any fake pirated software on your operating system. So here you can see the password as well and run and follow the instruction. So let's close this file and see we have 13 DNS requests and 17 connection initiated from the system and 4 HTTP requests. And here you can see the country as well. Let's close this file and stop this machine. So here we have a complete video as well, whatever happened in this operating system. And apart from that, ATTCK, which is the MITRE attack. So you have a graph, text report, get sample, summary as well. So if you want to summarize this attack, you can click on AI summary and it will generate a report for you in a summarized way, which will tell you what exactly happened in your operating system. So you can submit this report to your senior management as well. Let's close this and you can export this report to any format like JSON summary, JSON format, HTML document, SFG, and all data. Apart from Sandbox product, Any.Run has another amazing product called Threat Intelligence. As you can see here, TI, click on this one. You can use this product to find IP address, a URL, domain, or hash, or create a custom request. So you can use this amazing platform to secure your organization or company. And here you can see the MITRE attack framework. So this is the best platform for malware analysis, and I keep repeating it because trust me, it's one of the best platforms I have ever used in my 8 years of cybersecurity career. And here you can see the indicator of compromises as well. So I must recommend this platform any.run, and do register on this platform with your business email and create your account and start using it. And you can start using free community edition, and if you are really into cybersecurity, you can buy the premium plan as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. The link of this website is in the description below. Check out this link and register with your business email. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.